Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new, you are highly and most welcome. So I hope you are safe wherever you are. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a great remedy that would help you so much to remove skin tag and skin mole, okay, literally on your face and on your hands. Yeah, so if you want to know all of this great natural home remedies that have been put together, please continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will take you right into the video. Yeah, now this is a powerful remedy or ingredient that helps you remove all skin tag. Now do not use white onion, use red onion, guys. Red onion is everything when it comes to skin tag and other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you. Yeah, okay, so what you're gonna do is you prepare the garlic, onion. I'm so freaking used to calling garlic. Okay, prepare the onion and it has to be red onion. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this small one. So what you're gonna do is that however you can just grate or blend this onion, you can do that, but we need it in a smaller pieces to be able to achieve this. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend. And this is it. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be getting a bowl, and then we're going to be putting in the onion. Now in some cases you might not need this much of an onion, you just need a little onion, but since this is just an illustration, so you get the onion. Now the next ingredient to this is going to be garlic. Okay, I've actually been calling onion garlic so far. Now garlic is actually a very helpful remedy for this type of treatments. It helps so much to remove skin tag. Okay, so you grab a reasonable amount of garlic, and then you peel it. Okay, so after beating it, I can use my hand to easily just peel this off. So here is the garlic, and then you have to be grating the garlic. Now for this case, guys, the garlic does not need too much of water, but just a little, just to blend it. Yeah, so after doing that, then I will have to be cutting it in little tiny pieces. And then I'll be putting it into this bowl where I have the garlic in, and now I'll have to be blending them together, okay, so that the garlic and also the ginger can equally blend and mix really well together. So this is it. Now the garlic and the ginger is mixed together, and we're gonna be keeping that. We're gonna be putting that particular ingredient aside from the onion. Yeah. Now this is the onion, and the next ingredient, which is actually very important here, is apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is one great remedy that helps to fall off skin tag. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be pouring in about 3 cups of this. Now why I'm actually putting 3 cups of this is because it's for the skin, yeah, and it's gonna be for a particular place on the skin. You mustn't apply this all over your skin, guys. Okay, and this is the garlic and the ginger. Okay guys, so for these 2 ingredients we'll have to be using lemon. Now why we need lemon in these 2 ingredients is just to increase the concentration of this treatment. Yeah, so I'm going to be pressing in lemon into each of it. Lemon now does not actually contain a lot of juice. It's actually because of the dry weather. Okay, so how you're gonna be using this, guys, you can either use this or use this. Okay, anyone you can just quickly make, then you can make use of it. Now this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna grab this and then you're going to put it on the affected area. Okay, you put it on the affected area and it's just gonna stay as long as you have blend your ginger and garlic really smooth together. It's gonna stay really well. Yeah, so now you also be needing cotton wool in case you have some very tiny skin tag or mole. So what you do is that you grab this and put it inside, suck in all of the juice, and then you apply it onto those parts where you have your skin tag. Yeah, you apply it and then you leave it on. Now do not apply it onto your face, this treatment, okay, except you have skin tag, then you will have to be using the first step in which I showed you. Okay, the second ingredient is the same step. Oh yeah, you would have to be putting the onion and apple cider mix onto the affected areas where you have your skin tag. Make sure to dab it down and make it really sleepy, like let it slip onto that part where you have the skin tag. Guys, do not apply it on your skin if you don't have skin tag. Okay, now the essence is that it's just going to burn those skin tag and then it will fall off. Okay, so for in case you do not have big skin tag, okay, you have just small ones, then you can just grab your cotton wool and then you put it on and then you would rub it through just like that and let it for 1 hour or 2 and then you wash it off. Now if you're rubbing it, it's going to take 5 days for the skin tag to fall off. Okay, for this treatment it's going to take you just 3 days for the skin tag to fall off, and trust me guys, do this diligently and all of those skin tag will really fall off. Okay, and this treatment is actually very effective and natural, and it's really superb. So that's it, guys. Just apply it the way I have shown you, and trust me, give it a little time to work because it is natural. Yeah, and you are gonna be loving it. You're gonna be loving how it is, how it feels, and whatnot, and all of that. Okay, so do not forget to thumbs up the video, that's if you love the video, and share, subscribe, and I will see you again. Be safe out there, and bye guys. Mwah.